So you can see that the spark plug is really dirty. It's all black and sooty, and so the spark's not going to be real clean. You have a couple options with a dirty spark plug like this. You can clean it, or you can replace it. So if you have a spare spark plug on hand, you can put it in. I don't. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to use a wire wheel to clean it up. You could also do this with a wire brush. This is just a little faster when I do it with my wire wheel. So now you can see that that's all shiny metal there. It's not black. We'll get a much better spark. It's a real quick fix to take care of this. And you want to be careful when you're doing this. You got to hold on firmly so that the wire wheel doesn't rip this out of your hands and throw it across the room. Also, I suggest wearing gloves and safety glasses when you're doing this.
If you found this video helpful, be sure to hit the like button so others can find it, and subscribe to my channel. You can also check out my website, natefixesit.com, and check the description of this video for links to the tools and parts that I use to complete the job.